Sur le prochain combat, la numéro 1 se présente en bleu pour la France, Arnaud Lariba. En bleu pour le Tadjikistan, Mohamed Bedov.
Sois mobile. Mets l'effort sur cette main en revers, très haut. Allez. C'est bien. Allez, plus vite sur les mains, d'activité en bas ensuite. Et pour en rythme, et pour en déplacement. Prends-ça.
And number 3, the winner in white, judogi from Azerbaijan, Zenit Sky. And number 3, next the second round contest, the men under 81 kilo. Indo judogi, representing Finland. Ekonomi Hamanaki. In white, representing United Arab Emirates, Duksana Kadalashvili.
En avançant. En avançant, intérieur et actif. Allez. Va le chercher Arnaud. Va le chercher. C'est bien, plus fort, encore, tracte bien. Si t'es en haut, ça tracte bien avant. Allez, encore.
Tatami 4, the winner in judogi, representing Germany, Dominik Ressel.
Redouble les attaques. Non. Et repartir Arnaud, concentré sur leur prise.
Vainqueur sur le tapis numéro 1, en blanc pour le Tadjikistan, Mohamed Bedov.
And number 4, next one.
Prochain combat sur le tapis numéro 1, troisième tour de moins de 81 kg. En bleu pour l'Ouzbékistan, Shaoulin Volkabov. En blanc pour le Tadjikistan, Mohamed Bedov. Numéro 4, Golden Score. Vainqueur, table numéro 2 pour le Brésil, Nawana Silva. Prochain combat sur le tapis numéro 2. Troisième tour des féminines moins de 522 kg. En blanc pour le Portugal, Thaïs Rina. En blanc pour la Grèce, Elisabeth Beltini.
Tatami 3, the winner in blue from Mongolia, Bolt Gakaj. Tatami 3, next third round. Women under 63 kg, in blue from Netherlands, Joanna Pavishout. In white from Slovenia, Andrea Leški. Tatami 1, the winner in white jewelry from Tajikistan, Somon Rahmatbekov. Tatami 4. The winner in white, judogi from Tajikistan, Behruzi Khojazoda. Tatami 1, it's quarter-final for the men's under 81 kg.
Sur le tapis numéro 1, quart de finale, moins de 81 kilos. En bleu pour le Tadjikistan, son nom, Mammadmedov. En blanc pour la Moldavie, Mikhail Latissev.
Tatami 4, time for the quarter-final for the men's under 81 kg.
Tapis numéro 1, quart de finale, moins de 81 kilos.
In blue from Germany, Dominic Hessel. In white, representing Canada, François Gauthier-Capot. Tapis numéro 3, Golden Score.
Давай левую ручку твою. Давай левую ручку. Вот так и борись. Ниже. Иди, чтобы он на тебя шел. Не иди ты. Кто на тебя идет, иди назад. Не иди на него. Влезай!
Tatami 3. The winner in white, judogi from Kazakhstan, Daniel Chipchak. Tatami 3, next longest, the quarterfinal, men under 81 kg. In blue, representing Azerbaijan, Zevin Skayev. In white, individual neutral athlete, Timur Aruzov.
Tapis numéro 3, quart de finale, les moins de 81 kilos. Tapis numéro 2, Golden Score.
Давай! Давай, давай, давай! Еще раз! Еще раз! Еще раз! Еще раз!
Vainqueur sur le tapis numéro 1 et qualifié pour la demi-finale des moins de 81 kilos en bleu pour le Tadjikistan, Soron Mammadmedov. Mikhail Latissev disputera le combat de repêchage.
blijven, hand goed, mouw kort.
Aşağıda. Da.
Kort in je grip, kort zorg dat rechts goed zit. Doorpakken.
Da.
Los op.
Da. Da! Wazari!
Kort, als je pakt, kijk eens, niet direct. Kort in je grip, niet direct killen. Kort.
Давай! Да.
Ja, en zelf door. Mouw kort, rechts wapperen, rechts openen, daar vandaan erin.
The number 4, the winner of the repechage in white jewelry, individual winners from athletes Timur Arbuzov. Arbuzov goes to the final block and will compete for the bronze medal.
Яш! Швидше! Яш! Еще раз!
Je grip was nu beter. Matras, je grip was nu beter. Dus rechts vast, dynamisch zijn, op zijn voorste been storen. Zijn voorste been storen, rechts vast. Je grip goed houden. Storen op zijn voorste been.
Давай!
Plaatsen. Yo! Oké. Scoren. Veeg op zijn voorste been, rechts plaatsen.
Zomaar! Krup, давай!
Kom maar, rechts plaatsen. Ja, hup.
Da!
Open, vrij houden rechts.
Da!
Zelf.
Поза! Да! В ты! Zomaar!
The number 3. The winner of the semi-final in white category from Azerbaijan, Zedin Sky.
Als je staat, open. Rechts open. Kom maar.
Sky goes to the final.
Rechts weer plaatsen.
Orchid Gabon, Canada will compete for a bronze medal in the final block.
Rechts weer plaatsen. Kort houden, open. Kom maar.
gaat niet meer in de goede score.
Kort, los. Daarbij. Los. Da. Blokken. Ga door, sturen. Rechts actiever worden, kom. Rechts goed vast en actiever.
Vainqueur sur le tapis numéro 1 et qualifié pour disputer le combat de la médaille de bronze en bleu pour la Moldavie, Mirail Latishev.
Blijf meedoen, rechts weer vast en gaan. Prima, staan weer. Rechts wat meer tempo, rechts wat meer open. Daarbij. Kom maar. Zelf actief blijven, zelf vast. Zelf aangaan. Zelf blijven ringen, zelf vast hebben, zelf dynamisch naar je grip. Ja, yo, goed. Goed zo. En weer rechts. En weer goed hebben. Blijf die grip aangaan. Ja! Perfect. En weer rechts plaatsen. En weer zelf gaan. Rechts zelf. Door.
Vainqueur et qualifié pour la finale des moins de 81 kilos en blanc pour la Belgique, le vice-champion du monde Mathias Cassé.
Tier couple of Canada. winning the first of the bronze medals. We've got a second bronze medal in contest in the under 81 kilo category. Timur Abuzov, one of the individual neutral athletes, goes up against Somon Makhmadbekov of Tajikistan. It will be Abuzov in the white judogi, Makhmadbekov in blue. The referee in the middle for this one is Vladimir Nutsubidze of Georgia.
Well, the crowd certainly get their money's worth today. Abuzov is going to be up against here Makhmadbekov of Tajikistan, world rank 7. He leads out actually, and it's Abuzov 61 in the world rankings. Nerve-wracking coming out of that Olympic tunnel. It really is. I really don't know how this is going to go. Look how they keep them up off the ground there, won't let him ground. Right against left.
Ручку левую надо сохранить, не отдавай эту руку. Береги ее, сохрани ее. Давай, давай,
Yeah, so they've got to liven it up, these two. They really haven't engaged. Now it's going. Not helping that it's left against right.
Хорошо, хорошо, Тимур. Также первым номером работай. Первым номером. Эту руку скинь вверх поглубже. Глубже забирай вверх. Первым номером, давай.
Looking for the Uchimata, Makhmadbekov. Trying to get on the inside.
Хорошо, хорошо. Тимур, также. Первый берешь захват и начинаешь работать. Руку свою не отдавай. Руку левую не отдавай ему. Первым бери захват, первым работай. Активнее, давай.
Oh, right the way between the legs there. Abuzov not so far off there. And now, well, it's going to be Mate. As soon as it breaks there, it's Mate. Nice low Siatoshi there, didn't quite manage to get a landing.
Makhmadbekov picking up a second penalty now. It'll make things difficult for him because there's so much time left on the clock. Always really puts pressure on. You know, you may get involved in a tactical battle And with that second Shido, you've got no room to manoeuvre.
Difficult, isn't it, to know? You know, I think if anybody complains about anything, it's the Shidos, the amount of Shidos. I mean, as far back as I can remember, we always had Shidos or Kaikokus or
Chewy.
penalties, some kind of yeah, well, they're penalties, you know, and it was just when do you give them? I think that is one of the key points, isn't it? Is that when do you give a penalty to increase the pace of the match? When is the right time? And that is, I think, what people have to understand, is that if you don't have a penalty system, then you can't, everybody would just go on and on and on, and they'd cross the line.
And the other thing is, if penalties are not meaningful, that's to say there's no real consequence.
Then it doesn't mean anything, does
then
it?
you infringe the rules
All the time.
ad infinitum, yeah.
And the only other answer is to have a free-for-all. No rules at all, you know.
Yes,
which
I think
is
they
crazy,
call that something else, don't
yeah, I think they do.
they? Although I think they pay a lot more money for it. Inside the last minute, 2 penalties picked up by Makhmatbekov. And for me, he's the one who's got his back against the wall. Got to come up with something here.
Yeah, well, that big right arm there from Arbuzov is kind of blocking the left arm of Makhmatbekov.
Отлично, отлично, Тимур, давай. Терпеть, терпеть, давай, дыши. Терпи, терпи, давай. Сам работай, давай. На захватах чуть порезче работай. Пошустрее на захватах.
I think I remember seeing Arbuzov as a junior. It's quite a while ago.
Oh, he was in there for the Uchimata. You're going to look now, aren't you?
Well, he's I say I remember seeing him as a junior. He's still only 19, so it's no wonder because he's still a junior.
I'm just looking at this photograph there of
He looks like
a few years ago. He was just a kid.
Yeah, we have to replace that. He won the Cadet European Championships a couple of years ago, and he was a bronze medalist at the Junior World Championships last year. Right, regulation time has come to an end. We're going to need a period of golden score to sort this one out.
Well, at first I thought
I thought it was the referee, and I wanted to know why. It looked like a good...
It wasn't the referee, was it? It was the coach.
Someone up there, yeah.
Neither one really have looked as if they're going to get it close to a big score. I think it'll be a little tiny score. That's going to be it. Oh, wow, that was close. That was a secondary turn
after
there.
The event.
Landed on his face. Did well to turn out of that.
Эй, надо потерпеть. Давай потерпи. Давай первый вот так.
Arbuzov is 81 kilos now. I've just seen in his background here that he fought Jonathan Vexler.
73.
Jonathan Vexler of Israel, 2019 at the Continental Cup in the under 50 kilo category.
Right?
He's put on 41 kilos.
As you do.
In the last 5 years.
As you do.
Jonathan Vexler, by the way, has put on 10 kilos. because he fights at
You
under
never know, do
60.
you? I mean, how old is he? Arbuzov?
19.
19. Now, another 2 years and he might be up at 90, mightn't he? If not, yeah.
Well, he's tall, isn't he? If you
Yeah.
look at him, yeah, he's taller than Nutabidze, the referee. That's what our normal way of
You
measuring.
kind of reference it, can't
Yeah.
you?
Терпи, я тебя прошу. Потерпи. Надо выиграть эту схватку. Еще раз.
A growing boy then.
Oh, Sodagari! He was round there. Then Matbekov there was, he'd found the way in.
На захватах пошустрее, я тупо.
Look how he snakes it through and didn't quite have the upper part of the body under control. Oh, now then. And he scores. Matbekov there was off balance, and Arbuzov manages to take him back for a Tanio Tosh to get the score.
Yeah, Arbuzov. They just clicked on the wrong player then. What we get? Arbuzov it is, who sneaks it, doesn't he?
En blanc, athlète de lutte individuelle, Timur Arbuzov.
Well, bit of a lackluster fight,
Mesdames et
that
messieurs,
one.
sous applaudissements, le médaillé de bronze des moins de 81 kilos.
Timur
Première
Arbuzov
médaille
managing
en
to
bronze.
squeeze past
Timur
his
Arbuzov.
Tajik opponent, Somon Makhmadbekov.
Congratulations, bronze medal for Timur Arbuzov, individual neutral athlete.
Mesdames et messieurs, à l'issue de la dernière finale, nous vous demandons de bien vouloir rester assis, rester en place, s'il vous plaît, afin d'honorer les médaillés de la catégorie.
Yes,
moins de
it's at this
70
point that
moins de
he's
80
blocked
kilos. Merci
the
beaucoup pour
technique,
votre
and now he's going to
compréhension.
take him backwards.
Les ralentis de ce combat pour la médaille de bronze
Tries
sur
to
les
arch
écrans.
the back to get off it, but as Neil said, we classified that under the heading of Tanio Toshi.
Yeah, just manages, look at the hand there, so kind of just above the belt line, luckily.
Leg round
just
the back,
scoops
yeah.
him back there onto the shoulder.
Time for the highlights.
Yeah, I'll go with that, Mr. Adams. Right, we come now to the final of the under 81 kilo category. Matthias Kassé of Belgium goes up against Zelim Takayev of Azerbaijan. It'll be Kassé in the white judogi, Takayev in blue. Let's see if we can get in how they got to this point.
81 kilos.
Stuart Chakoyev, Shuzanabar and Makhmadbekov were defeated by Kassé. It was Tulbani, Fernando, Tatalashvili, Arbuzov and Gautier